Urban farming involves growing food in urban areas, typically in small spaces like balconies, rooftops, or community gardens. It's a response to increasing urbanization and the desire for locally grown, fresh produce. Vertical gardening takes urban farming to new heights, literally. This technique involves growing plants vertically, using walls, trellises, or specially designed structures. It's perfect for maximizing space in cramped urban environments. Living walls use hydroponics or aeroponics systems. Pocket gardens use fabric pockets filled with soil. Pallet gardens upcycle wooden pallets into planters. Tower systems use aeroponics, and trellis systems are ideal for climbing plants. Choose compact, upward-growing plants. Ensure proper lighting with at least 6 hours of sunlight or grow lights. Use drip irrigation or self-watering planters. Opt for lightweight, well-draining potting mix enriched with compost. Rotate crops to prevent soil depletion. Enjoy fresh organic produce. Maximize yields in minimal space. Improve air quality with natural air purifiers. Conserve energy with green walls. Foster community connections through shared gardens. Limited sunlight, pollution, and weight restrictions can be addressed with hydroponic systems, pollution-resistant plants, and lightweight growing mediums.